Do you or someone you know love to draw or sketch? If so, you should definitely check out this company right here. This is called Nil-Tech, and they provide different sketching and drawing supplies. They've provided this one right here for me so that I could create the shoppable video for you. This is a 37-piece kit, and I love that everything is contained right inside this nice, easy-to-carry binder. And being a newbie artist, I didn't realize until I got this kit that there's all kinds of different options when it comes to leads. So for instance, all of these blue pencils right here go from soft to hard lead, so they sketch a little bit differently. It also has different kinds of pencils in here. It has graphite and charcoal pencils. These little white sticks right here are blending sticks. That really is kind of neat. I was learning to blend, so you can kind of soften it up a little bit and give it a gray look. Then you have this really nice acrylic ruler. And this is kind of neat. So as you sharpen your pencils and they get smaller, this gives you an option to have a tighter grip rather than having to grab a little tiny pencil like this. So this is a pencil extender. Pretty cool, right? I think the coolest part though is actually this piece right here. Just looks like a standard pencil, but it's actually a mechanical pencil. It will deploy the lead by pushing in the eraser part of it. That's pretty awesome. And of course, they're going to give you additional lead pieces. There's 30 of them in this little bottle right here. As beginner artists, you might make a mistake or two, so they give you two different kinds of erasers. Then there's some graphite sticks, charcoal sticks, and a sanding block. Plus, they give you a sketching book that has 16 pieces of paper in it, so it'll be 32 front and back. But it doesn't stop there, because this company also has a community of artists where they also give you tutorials for brand new people learning to draw. That is super cool, and that is something I'm going to be checking out with my grandson. So we'll be able to sit and enrich our art skills together. This company is also on several different social media sites, so don't throw the box away if you're giving this as a gift, because that has all kinds of different information. Whether you're buying this for yourself or buying it as a gift to open up a young person's mind to the world of art, this is a great set to get started with. This is from Nil-Tech, and you can check out their other supplies available over on Amazon.